Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your Earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Plus on your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the first line we have a name, so tap at this line. And right here you can write the best one for you. You can also remove some text, but I want to only add something. So let's say I wanna add this text. The most important is to click Done at the right bottom to save this new name. If you have iOS 26, you will have checkmark button, not done. So tap at this button, we just save it, so if we go back, you can see that we already changed the name. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!